Hello YouTubers, today we are going to see how we can view this user information in a cool manner, and you'll be able to print the user's information, like just a specific user's information, because in our database we have more fields here, but we cannot just populate all the fields here, right? So we need to show, if you want to view this user's information, right, you'll be able to click here and see the detail of this user's information. So what I'll do is I'll create a new file. So I'll right click on code, which is the name of my parent folder. I'll right click on it, create a new file. I'll save it as viewemployee.php, right? Viewemployee.php, and I'll save this file. This file actually exists here. Okay. The first thing I want to do is I'd like to include my header and my footer section, right, of the page. I would like to include those two files because in all the sites or in all the pages we have our header section and the footer section, right? So I'll do just that, and in order to do that I'll just copy it from one of my files. I'll copy this here, the header section, paste this one here, and change this guy to footer.php. Right. Now we have that file in place. So in order to view this file, what we can do is we can say dashboard or cut, and we say view employee.php, enter it directly in the URL, and that is it. You have the header and the footer, right, with the content. Let's say h2 view employee details, yeah,